What's up, everybody? I'm at a spot I was fishing at yesterday where I was filming, and I actually left my GoPro here. What are the odds it's still here? It's been 24 hours. I left it in a spot that I think maybe nobody ever would even see it there. So, what do you think? Am I gonna find my phone? I mean, my camera. Because I'm bugging. I'm bugging. I'm bugging. By the way, I didn't catch any fish here. Live bait, worms, everything. Artificial. Nothing. Please let my phone be here. Let me turn it around. Alright, here's the walk of shame. The walk of think positive, Steve. Think positive. Think positive. Got my shoes wet here yesterday too. Think positive. Oh, it's gone. Oh, check it out. It's the boxer that was here yesterday.
Yeah.
Yo, I left my camera right there.
Yeah. Did you get it?
Nah.
Yeah, we left it right there. It was right here, right?
It was right
It was
here.
right here, yeah.
I left it here.
Yeah, it was right here. It was right. We left it right here.
Damn, there was no way for me to get it back. There's nothing
Hey.
I can do. It's gone. Damn. It took me 24 hours to realize I left it here.
Yeah, it was still right there.
Wow. All right, man. Thank you for trying. Appreciate it. No words.